Welcome to Daily English Fix. Think outside the box.
Suy nghĩ sáng tạo.
Okay, the thing about Kev is you got to think outside the box.
And this is think outside the box.
Gaylor Street doesn't just think outside the box, they think outside the dictionary.
I gotta think outside the box here.
Shoot the breeze.
Tán gẫu.
I came here to do some business, not shoot the breeze.
Two of you could sit under a shady tree, drink ice cold whiskey, and shoot the breeze.
Even if you just want to talk, come on in and shoot the breeze.
Shoot the breeze, as you Yanks say.
Well, we'd like to stick around and shoot the breeze with you here, Butler, but you look like you're in charge here. So.
Spill the beans.
Tiết lộ bí mật.
Bet Polly you'd spill the beans to that reporter.
So that she can spill the beans inside the department.
Would you guys spill the beans?
Shall we spill the beans now?
And listen, if you've come to spill the beans, don't bother.
Be in hot water.
Gặp rắc rối.
If it doesn't, my agent's going to be in hot water.
Well, give it 2 weeks. She'll be in hot water again.
I know your ass must be in hot water if you're taking the bus.
Yeah. Yes, I imagine if he was boiled at all, it would be in hot water.
It's lucky for you that doctor was late too, or you'd really be in hot water.
Hit the jackpot.
Gặp may lớn.
Looks like I've hit the jackpot.
You hit the jackpot.
3 more ticks and Mr. Goldfinger would have hit the jackpot.
We've hit the jackpot, lads.
Break the bank.
Quá tốn tiền.
Don't break the bank.
Break the bank.
Maybe you have what it takes to break the bank.
And then she can get a view of the city and it doesn't break the bank.
Look, I didn't come back to start a fight or break the bank.
Make ends meet.
Trang trải cuộc sống.
What do you do to make ends meet?
Just trying to make ends meet.
She'd put in the bushels and stuff and sell it, because they had to, make ends meet and stuff.
But with my business stolen, I have to make ends meet.
Turn a blind eye.
Nhắm mắt làm ngơ.
Too many in need just to turn a blind eye.
And obviously, I'm not going to turn a blind eye, no matter how absurd I find all of this.
I'll turn a blind eye to it this time.
They bribe the gods turn a blind eye.
And in return, I'd like you to turn a blind eye to what I have to do.
Cut someone some slack.
Thông cảm cho ai đó.
Cut him some slack until he can overcome these historical injustices.
Come on, cut him some slack.
Let's cut him some slack, okay? I think you should cut him some slack.
Go down in flames.
Thất bại thảm hại.
To her demands to prevent global panic and then let the junkie scum go down in flames. Huh?
Larry, Georgia, listen to me. I want you to skewer him. I want Mike Chadway to go down in flames. I want Mike Chadway to be nothing but a pile of ash on the seat next to you. I want the janitor to come in and vacuum up.
If it fails, you go down in flames quicker than Hindenburg.
Kind of creepy seeing that lady's life go down in flames.